Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I made two Farmhouse Valentine DIYs from Dollar Tree and Dollar General. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button below, like, and comment what your favorite project was today. I love hearing from you guys. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into DIY number one. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and paint our blocks. Okay, so now that our blocks are all painted and dry, we're going to go ahead and put them together, make sure that they fit right. Now we're going to take our Aleene's tacky glue and glue our blocks together. You'll see me shaking it here a lot because I love this glue, but sometimes it's just like, I guess because it's so thick, it's hard to come down to the nozzle and you just really got to shake it.
Gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
In here I'm just trying to make sure that everything is even.
Drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
Okay, so here I'm just trying to make me a little jute bow.
I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
You can see here that it was giving me a hard time, so I just took it apart and started all over. And here I am just trimming the edges to make sure that they're even. And now I'm just going to glue them on my blocks. Okay, so right now I'm just going to use my stencil that I cut out on some contact paper from the Dollar Tree on my silhouette.
Spill my coffee on the floor, but I don't really care. It's not the same, not anymore.
And now I'm taking this scarlet red paint that I got in a little painter's kit for Christmas from my daughter. And I'm just dabbing it in an up and down motion. And here I'm just pulling off my stencil. Please don't do what I did and glue the bows on first, because I had to wind up pulling 2 of them off. Now I'm just taking some black that came in that same kit and painting in my X's. Yes, we're doing XOXO and we're using hearts for the O's. Here I'm just taking a wipey and just cleaning off some of the paint I got on the edges.
I know that we would never work. I know that someone would get hurt. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. Cause the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now? Do now. Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? I want you. You're stuck inside my head. Oh, I can't stop thinking about all the words you said. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? Do now. Only problem is I love you so damn much. Every word you say, every time we touch. I love you now. I want you.
And here's a look at DIY number 1. DIY number 2. Okay, so we're just going to start painting our base with the same chalk paint that I used in DIY number 1.
I want you.
Okay, so now I'm just taking my ruler and just making a line where the hearts end so I don't go over those lines onto my truck. Alright, so now I'm going to paint my second heart with the Waverly chalk paint and ballet slipper. I forgot to mention that I did use Waverly chalk paint in plaster to paint my other heart. Okay, so now I'm just taking that same paint that come from my kit in Scarlet and just painting my truck. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Waverly Antique wax and I'm just going to brush it over my truck because I want to give it more of a vintage rustic feel. Okay, so now I'm going to take this black acrylic paint marker and I am just going to color in my wheels. And I do go ahead and go back in and color more of my wheels because for some reason they just didn't look right to me. Is it just me or do you think the same thing? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my popsicle sticks. These are the large popsicle sticks. And I got those from Walmart. And I am going to make like a little wooden thing for my truck bed that goes right over my hearts. And now I'm just taking the same wax and just kind of like staining the popsicle sticks. And now I'm just going to take that same Aleene's tacky glue and glue on my sticks. Just making sure they're all lined up and even. And now I'm just going to take this black paint marker and go around my hearts with it, just to give it a little more detail, just on the edges. And now I'm just taking a white paint marker and I'm just going to give my wheels some detail. And now I'm going to finish it off with a little sanding. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I really loved making it for y'all. And I hope y'all are all having a great weekend.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on.